Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by readying the net projectile and confirming you have spare ammo or durability. This avoids mid-engagement failure. First, approach so the target stays inside 10 to 15 meters, because the net drop arc tightens at short range. Once done, switch to hip fire or low zoom aim to compensate for recoil. Do not hold full ADS for slow projectiles. Make sure to position with cover behind you. That prevents flanking while you line up the shot. Now you focus on timing and lead. You must watch the target's velocity and aim 1 to 2 meters ahead for runners. For flyers, predict descent arcs. Once done, incorporate short strafes and a quick crouch to steady your view. This reduces aim sway without committing slow animations. Make sure to fire during the target's predictable animation windows, like landing or turning, because nets have travel time. If a teammate can distract, coordinate a simultaneous shot. Finish by immediately applying a follow-up immobilizer or bola. This prevents the target from shaking free after impact. Once done, move in to secure or tether the creature and prepare trank tools if needed for permanent capture. Make sure to watch durability and reload between attempts. If a net misses, reposition 5 to 8 meters laterally and try again quickly. Troubleshooting. If projectiles frequently stick or glitch, swap to another net or reload inventory slot to reset the projectile.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.